Okay, this is our vacuum former. We have two different materials. This is V-Flex. The temperature for this is 105, and then for hips it's 160. We're gonna use V-Flex. So first we're gonna put it in here before we start heating it up. We're gonna make sure it aligns, and then take our top part, and then close our clamps. Then we're gonna lift it up. Make sure it's on the right setting. And before we start heating up, we're gonna put our mold in. There it goes. When it goes off, you're gonna use two hands to pull it down. Wait for all the air to leave.